So one of the new customers we picked up 2 weeks ago, he needed a leaf cleanup. So that was like a $200 job for the initial cleanup, and then $80 after for fall maintenance. Okay, so that's what we're doing fall. We're doing fall maintenance right now, y'all. In the fall, in the October, November, December, and it may not last in January because by that time all the leaves and pine needles are probably all be mulched up or blown. You know what I mean? We're like in the tree line, all right? So, but we have one more, we have at least like 2 more services for him for fall maintenance. But we're also gonna do some pressure washing. We're gonna pressure wash his sidewalk, all right? I asked him right there on the spot when I first met him, hey, sir, we also do pressure washing. Would you like us to surface clean your driveway? We can make it look real bright for you for that nice curb appeal. He's like, okay, that sounds good. How much? It'll be $200. All right, cool. So we're gonna make $280 on this customer, on our customer right now. All right, it's a blessing that he wants his surface. It's a blessing that he wants his sidewalk surface cleaned. So that's awesome, y'all. Okay, always upsell. Okay, look for other things: gutter cleaning, trimming the bushes, leaf cleanup. If he has like a lot of pine cones, if we can also pick up pine cones, that'll be an extra like $100. You know. Hey, your sidewalk needs to be edged. Wants to edge it up for you. That'll be an extra $20, you know, with the fall maintenance. But anyway, those are just upsells. For fall maintenance, we do leaf blowing. We do leaf and pine needle cleanup, and that consists of blowing the leaves and pine needles away from the house, the fence, and mulching them. And there's excess pine needles, we'll blow them around the trees for a nice appearance. You know, for a decorative appearance. That's what I tell them, okay? And edging and string trimming if needed, okay? Because these are regular customers, all right? To maintain the leaves and pine needles, it's the same thing. If it's an $80 yard for a regular lawn care season, that's sometimes I'm charging $80, okay? Hey, try and error. Okay, right now, I'm noticing like, man, it's more work with the mower. Like I'm going back and forth a couple of times. So next season, I'll probably, raise up the price for fall maintenance, okay? But let's check out the setup right now. All right, y'all, check it out, y'all. We got the string trimmer, the edger on the racks. We got the 52-inch right there. Bobcat XRZ PRO RS. 52 inches, y'all. Okay. Let's come around. Excuse all the leaves, y'all. I like blow off the leaves from the mower. All right, here we go, y'all. We got the hose reel, the pressure hose reel, water hose, pressure hose. We got the surface cleaner right there. All right, hey, invest in those, y'all. Some skids just in case you get stuck in the mud. Those work real good. All right, we got the GX 390 4-gallon per minute pressure washer. Oh, I forgot the blower, y'all. Look at that. The PB580 T. Dude, this thing is a beast. This is a beast, I'm telling you right now. All right, for leaf and pine needle blowing, this will get it done. All right. See right here, I got the gun right there, y'all, for the pressure washer. All right, in the truck, excuse the mess of the truck. Hey, you see all these nice setups and everything. They're all nice and clean. Hey, this is the real deal, y'all, okay? This happens when you work. Everything gets unorganized, okay? So you want to do your best to keep it organized. But over here I got 2 5-gallon jugs of SH, all right, to pre-treat the concrete. I may just use one. I'm only gonna use one jug. I brought another one just in case of somebody stops and asks me, hey, can you do my driveway too or my house? Hey, there you go, y'all. Bam, another customer. I got my bucket of essentials for the pressure washing job. I got my X-Jet right here. All right, I'm gonna use that to lay down the SH. Okay, and I got extra stuff, tools. All right, J-rod, and I'm gonna use this gun right here. I'm gonna use this gun. I ain't gonna use the one with the wand. What do you call it? The wand, the lance. All right, I'm just gonna use this regular gun right here, y'all. And I got my 5 gallons of fuel. I got my mixed oil right there. My mixed fuel. All right, I'm ready to go, okay? Hey, join me, all right? If you want to fast forward to the to the mowing, the pressure washing, by all means, fast forward. Hey, if you haven't hit that like button, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe. Just move her finger down and push. Push. All right. Hey, I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, y'all. You know what I mean? At least 1,000 subscribers. I'm only at 861 subscribers right now. So please hit that subscribe button, y'all. All right. Motivate me to keep motivating you. All right. This is a how-to channel. This is the real deal, y'all. Okay. No fancy camera work. All right. Just a how-to guy. All right. My 5 years in the lawn care business, 2 years in pressure washing. I don't really got that much pressure washing jobs or customers because I mainly like focus on lawn care. But during the off season, I try to do my best to market on pressure washing and house washing. All right, during the lawn care season, I do get some pressure washing customers to surface clean their driveway or house wash their house. But other than that, y'all, let's get to work. All right, y'all, we're here at the customer's house. So the ground's a little bit soft because we had rain over the weekend. So I'm gonna, I usually don't blow leaves like out of the ditches because I just go inside the ditches and mulch them. But I'm gonna blow away from the ditches and away from all small areas where the ground's real soft from the rain this past weekend, and then I'm gonna mulch them. That's the driveway. I'm gonna pressure wash right behind me, and that will be satisfying, y'all. So I ain't gonna go on video the mulching. I'm gonna go and hurry up and knock that out so I get to the surface cleaning of the concrete. Oh, here we go, y'all. I'm gonna use an X-Jet to pre-treat the concrete. Always pre-treat the concrete with SH because that's sodium hypochlorite, also known as bleach, pool shock. It's which they use for the pools. All right. First and foremost, I am sorry about this, but this camera's gonna fall because it got windy. All right. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bam! It fell. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, so sodium hypochlorite, that bleach, it kills that organic growth, man, because bleach kills everything, y'all, okay? So you want to pre-treat, and it's going to help the surface clean even be more satisfying, all right? You're going to be dealing less with finding stripes on the concrete after you're done, all right? I just used to use water because I guess I was being cheap. You know what I mean? I didn't know, but I didn't know also, it was my first time doing it. And like, it looked real good. When I would come back the next day just to see my work, I would see lines. Like, man. So I started doing these circle 8 motions. And I found doing these circle 8 motions, you're overlapping as you're going forward. And then you won't see lines, okay? That's when I wasn't using SH, right? So the circle 8 motion works. But if you're using SH, you could just go up and down, all right, or side to side. Okay, here I'm going pretty. I'm going ahead and sped up the video because I know all of our viewers don't like real time, all right, because it's kind of long, all right. But it is a good side hustle, y'all. All right. Hey, so after I'm done surface cleaning by the sections, I like to rinse it off with the ball valve. You can use the gun. But I use the ball valve because I have to like bend down, get the gun, and then rinse off, all right? And you always want to rinse because if you see any spots you miss, you can just go back with the surface cleaner and hit it right there, all right? One thing I didn't bring y'all was a deck brush. So all that standing water on the side, when I was done, it was just there, and it created mud because of all that dirt. So I had to like blow it off again, like when I was done with the surface clean. So hey, get a deck brush, y'all, and any standing water, just brush it off to the grass, okay? Oh yeah, and also y'all, pre-wet everything, okay? The grass, the bushes, because when you lay sodium hypochlorite, if you get a breeze, it may overspray to the grass or to the bushes, right? Or they have flowers, okay? So make sure you pre-wet any veg around that area. But hey, when you get a surface cleaner, it's always 4 inches by the gallon. So I have a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. So this is a 4 times 4 gallons is 16 inches. So this is a 16-inch surface cleaner. That's the rule, y'all. 4 inches per gallon, okay? Don't try to go big because if we get a bigger one, then you have to go real slow. If we get a smaller one, then it may jack up the concrete. I'm not sure. I never got a smaller one. I did my research on YouTube. I got a 16-inch. I have a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. Bam, 16-inch surface cleaner. Okay. Hey, this is a good side hustle, y'all. I started off in lawn care as a side hustle, became a business, and then a good brother of mine, a second recon in the Marine Corps, goes, "Hey, Chuck, man, like, you ever think about pressure washing?" And we talked, and he told me his pressure washer because he bought a bigger one, and I got into it, y'all, and I enjoy it. It's very satisfying. It's money on the table. Hey, this is a $200 job for this driveway, okay? And depending how fast you are, it could be between 1 hour to 2 hours, all right? But hey, so I hope this is satisfying to you. Hey, please like and subscribe, okay? Hey, there I go rinsing, and bam, I'm done. All right, I'm done. Hey, sorry for my video proficiency. My camera mount, my tripod fell. My camera mount broke. So you saw a little bit of me of laying down the SH before I mowed. And but let's go back. I didn't mow myself mowing the grasses. This is only for like a pressure washing video, surface cleaning the driveway. So here's the before and after pictures of the yard. What I did first, I blew everything away from the trees, away from the house. There was stuff that he wanted just blown inside the tree line. So I blew a lot of pine needles in the tree line. Other than that, after I was done, I started getting ready to surface clean the driveway. I tried to use my tripod fell, my mount broke, so you saw a little bit of me laying down the SH. That's what I do first. I lay down the SH like 2.5% on the concrete, and then I surface clean it. Okay. I use a ball valve to rinse. Okay, I got all this dirt on me. I was spraying like in the mud, and all this dirt flew on me. I use a ball valve to rinse off the all the dirt after I surface clean each section. Okay, and when I'm done with the whole thing, I want to rinse out my X-Jet. So I had a 5-gallon bucket right there that you saw in the video. I was just rinsing down the hose of the X-Jet, okay, with fresh water. Okay, 5 gallons of water. All right. Other than that, it was a $200 concrete job. The mulching was $80. It's an $80 yard. Regular lawn care maintenance. So I keep it the same when I maintain the leaves and the pine needles. Pine needles, $80. I think about raising the price to like $20, man, because it's more blowing and going back and forth with the mower. So they're doing like maybe like 2 mows on the yard. I can't go back on my word. I already told them it was $80, just like lawn care. I'm sticking with it, all right? Always keep your word. Remember that, okay? Other than that, y'all, please like and subscribe. I hope you like this video. I'm sure it was satisfying to you, the concrete pressure washing, surface cleaning with the surface cleaner. Buy a surface cleaner, y'all. Don't just use the gun to clean the concrete. It's gonna take forever, man. And you're gonna get, your shoulders are gonna get worn out. It's gonna take forever. Just get a surface cleaner, invest in it. That was a BE 16-inch surface cleaner. It goes with a 4-gallon per minute pressure washer. Every 1 gallon is 4 inches. 4 gallons, 16 inches. Okay, that's the rule, all right? So other than that, y'all, man, please like and subscribe, all right? Hey, God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.